folks, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Welcome back to our channel for segment 5 of our mastery, where we delve into the heart of business success. Today, we embark on a crucial journey, cultivating customer loyalty. The story doesn't end with converting leads. That's just the beginning. Maintaining relationships with your customer, ensuring their satisfaction, and engaging with them over time are pivotal steps in building a sustainable business. Let's explore the strategies to keep your customers coming back, transforming transactions into lasting partnerships. Strategy 1, consistent engagement. Imagine your business as a garden and your customer as the plants within it. Just as a garden requires regular care, so do your relationships with customers. Consistent engagement through newsletter, social media, and personalized follow-ups keep your business in their minds and hearts. It's about watering these relationships with attention and care, ensuring they flourish over time. Strategy 2, delivering continuous value. The key to loyalty is continuous value. Beyond the initial sale, think about how you can add value to customers' lives, whether it's through exclusive content, loyalty programs, or new product offerings. Showing customers that their satisfaction is your priority, ensure that they feel valued and appreciated. Strategy 3, responsive and proactive customer service. Responsive and proactive customer service is the backbone of lasting relationships. Like a trusted friend, ready to lend an ear or offer a helping hand, your business should anticipate and address customer needs and concerns. This approach builds trust and shows customers that you're committed to their happiness. Strategy 4, gathering and acting on feedback. Feedback is a gift that allows your business to grow and adapt. Encourage and cherish customer feedback, treating it like a roadmap for improvement. By listening to their experiences and making changes based on their input, you demonstrate respect for their opinions and a commitment to excellence. Strategy 5, creating a community. Finally, building a community around your brand turns customers into advocates. Foster a sense of belonging through events, forums, or social media groups where customers can connect with each other and your brand. This shared experience creates a powerful bond, transforming customers into loyal fans and ambassadors. See, cultivating customer loyalty is an ongoing journey, one that requires dedication, innovation, and a genuine desire to create a meaningful connection. By engaging consistently, delivering continuous value, providing exceptional services, listening to feedback, and building a community, you lay the foundation for a business not just supported, but beloved by its customers. Thank you for joining us as we explored the art of cultivating customer loyalty. If you're inspired to strengthen the bonds with your customers, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and strategies. And if you want to get ahead of the curve and keep in touch with me, go to freedomlifebusiness.com and opt in to receive daily valuable newsletters from me. Together, let's transform your business into a thriving community of loyal customers. Your path to business excellence continues here. Subscribe for more guides on building lasting relationships and achieving sustainable growth. Let's grow together, one customer at a time. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.